I'm with Ken Cunningham, now CEO of Miranda Gold. Ken, thanks so much for being with me.
My pleasure, always.
So Ken, last time we spoke was at the PDAC. I know you were pretty realistic at the time, saying things weren't so great for mining stocks and companies. What's changed since then?
I think, I'm not sure anything's changed. I think the market is softened, as we know. A lot of distressed companies, which is kind of what I was predicting. And, fortunately, Miranda, share price is down, but strong treasury, and we're not pulling back. We're aggressive both in Nevada and with our alliance in Colombia with Agnico.
So let's talk about that. I know you just acquired this property in Colombia. Tell me more about it.
Sure. I think last week we announced the Minas Grande property. It's a property that we were able to purchase from a Colombian. We did that through the umbrella of our alliance with Agnico-Eagle, and we'll now be working up the data on the property. We'll be out field working the property. We'll present a technical report to Agnico, and if they like it, they'll have a joint venture on it.
Now, is this your first foray into Colombia?
Well, we've been in Colombia for 3 years, and we have several other properties there, but this is the first to come into the alliance with Agnico-Eagle.
Okay, so you're used to mining in the country, so there's no surprise challenges you might have to face?
Oh, there's challenges in everything you do everywhere, but the reason Agnico partnered with us was because we were already up and running there.
So Ken, we're at the Metals and Minerals Conference here in New York.
Yes.
What do you think the vibe is like compared to what we saw at the PDAC in Toronto? Are people a bit more optimistic or same old?
Well, totally different because, as you know, PDAC brings in, lots of technical people, and this is an investor conference. But I would say from Miranda's viewpoint, it's been a good conference. We saw buying come into the market both yesterday and today. A number of people have come up to me and wanted to talk about Miranda. Obviously, Brent Cook just presented. He mentioned Miranda as one of his top picks as a prospect generator. So we're real pleased that have people like Rick and Brent following us, and we just know that we're going to be around and we'll be successful eventually.
But how are you raising cash in these tough times, Ken? We're
sitting on a treasury of $8 million, so we're not raising cash. We saw this coming. We were lucky, I guess, and so we cashed up last year. We thought the market was going to soften.
But when you say you saw this coming, how did you know?
I'm not a market guy, you know that. I'm a geologist. We got lucky.
You got lucky.
Yeah.
You struck gold on that one, Ken. Thanks so much for your thoughts today.
Always, and a pleasure, and I look forward to the next time.
Absolutely, and thanks for watching our continuous coverage here from the Metals and Minerals Conference in New York City. We'll have more for you on Kitco.com. In the meantime, you can email us any comments or questions at newsfeedback@kitco.com. Thanks for watching.